Hello class and welcome to week 4. You guys are almost finished. Give yourselves a pat on the back because this is a lot of work. So week 3, I've corrected everything except the essays, and all the quizzes and everything are corrected. Everything's updated. I want to let you know that at the end of the semester I do add 5 points to everybody's score. So if you have an 85, add 5. That's 90. That would give you an A. I'm saying that right now because half the class with that 5 points added, maybe even more than half the class, you have A's. So again, for this kind of course, because it's a lot of work, I don't take anything out of the 16-week course. I put it all in here as well. So, well, I think I should. I want to have those standards. Excuse me. Let's jump up here to week 4. And again, watch the week 4 overview video. There are quizzes here, obviously. And I'm going to repeat myself a little bit here, but the midterm essay prompt is here. Make sure you read that. Make sure that you follow all of these. Make sure that your essay looks like the essay example here. And if you want to work in a group with the essay, I'm okay. No more than 4 people per group. And let's see. Find a partner, midterm, good if you want to look there. And then 4B is the same as 4A, except there's a lot of information here. This goes along with the quiz up here. So you can open up both pages and go through that. And this is week 4. That is due. However, do not wait, because week 5, there are only 3 days in week 5. And your research paper and your final essay are due then. I should have moved it up. I'm going to move this up in a second. But if you're going to work in a group for the midterm essay, why not work in that same group if you get along well? If you have somebody who's lazy, kick them out. I won't tolerate it. And you're not the bad person. They are for being lazy. But anyway, can you tell I've worked in groups in college? So you have an annotated bibliography that is due. And then you have your argumentative research essay. Don't wait for the last minute. And again, work in a group if you want to. So if you find a group that you really like, stay with them. You can work alone, that's fine. Just remember, if you work in a group and someone uses AI, you're all going to get a 0 for it. So, okay, let me see. I wanted to add something else. And then the final essay is there. The final essay will probably be easy for you guys. It's just a light reading. And then, what did this gentleman feel more shame from? Classism or racism? So some students have already finished them and they've been A's. So they're really good. That's what I wanted to say. The writing so far is really, really good. I like the content. The support is really good. That's the whole point of writing. Now, I get a little picky with like run-ons and comma splices, but to me, if you're like a chef, the meal itself is the content. Are you getting your point across? And then the garnish is the comma splices, the run-on, the stuff like that. And please, again, make sure that the resource or the quote that you put in your assignment is also matching the works cited page. Because if they don't match, if you have a quote on page 14 from a certain article from let's say 1990, if they don't match up, that's plagiarism, and that's a 0. So far, I really haven't run into that at all. All right, everybody, good luck. Get started on week 4. If you get a really good group together, start kicking into week 5 as well. Again, week 5, there are only 3 days. Okay, take care, everybody. Bye.